In this short video, I'm going to explain how to create a simple alpha from within Zbrush. To start off with, I'm going to bring in a simple plane to work on. Then I'm going to change the material to the basic material. Click on Make Polymesh 3D, and then subdivide this a few times. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to create an alpha that makes it look like bubbles. So I'm going to select the inflate brush and then make it a bit bigger so I can draw out my bubble shapes. I'm just going to draw out my bubble shapes just to fill up this space, kind of however I want it, whatever I think might look nice. Try out a different size, fill up some of the rest of this space to get my alpha the look that I want. Now that I've finished this, in order to save it, I'm going to go up to Alpha, then to Transfer, and then click Grab Dock. So now I want to use my alpha, so I'm going to load in a plane sphere 3D, click Make Polymesh, and then subdivide this a few times. I'm then going to change my brush from the inflate brush to the standard brush. I'm going to click on the alpha block, and then there's my alpha right there. I'm going to click on that, then change my stroke to the drag, and now I can use my alpha. And there it is. There are my bubbles. I'll go ahead and draw some more. Different sizes. You can see they all look about the same. And as you can see, they don't add any geometry to my shape. There are some ways that we can still edit the alpha. We go up to the alpha block and then down to modify. We can add noise, adjust the blur, the intensity, and here's the curve. I'll adjust the curve a little bit so you can see what happens. Wow, that looks a bit different. So I'll just come down here and reset that. If I had made any changes that I want to save, I'm going to have to go up to Alpha, down to Transfer, and click Make Modified Alpha. From here we can go back to the Alpha panel, and there you can see our original alpha and the modified alpha. One thing I should mention is that these aren't saved forever. If we were to close Zbrush and reopen it, these alphas would be gone. Now if we want to save this alpha permanently, we'll have to export it. And if you made any changes, we'll have to click Export Processed Alpha. So once you export it, you want to save it as a Photoshop file. I'll rename this Bubbles, and then save it. And there you have it. That's how you create a simple alpha from within Zbrush. For an extra note, you can now load your saved alpha into Photoshop and edit it further if you wanted to. Thanks for watching.